Oh my god, guys, it's skincare.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex for my.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Drum roll. Welcome back to another vlog, another episode of my life, living my life. Yeah, today's February 15th. Yesterday was Valentine's. Happy St. Valentine's Day. Of course, I got flowers. And it's not plastic. I just put it in the jar. I'm starting a new vlog. We are starting a new vlog because we're always in this all together. I'm trying to silence my phone. Yeah. So, I'm quite sad starting a new vlog. I'm not going to lie because of the fact that I lost some of the clips from my trip. You guys already saw the video by now, if not after this one. Because honestly, after losing that clip, I am really, really down. Like, I don't know how to come up with the video. Like, I don't even know if I should edit the rest of the videos and all of that. So, it's a little bit somehow, like, I don't know. Because I put so much effort to that vlog. It's not like it's a regular vlog that I can always, like make another one. Like, it's a travel vlog. I can't go back and redo everything I've done. You know what I mean, guys? So, it's really sad. I cried, though. I cried when I realized that that video is gone, and babe tried so hard to help me recover it. We couldn't. We even have to pay a website like that for me to recover that video. I recovered the video, but because it was shot in D-Log, everything was already like corrupt. I couldn't open. I couldn't do anything. And babe was like, maybe we should put more effort, but like I'm still gonna have to keep spending money on it, and I'm not financially in that space to be spending money on those clips. I'm sorry. Even though I'm really pained because we went to beautiful places in those day too, and also, yeah, it is what it is. So I'm starting a new vlog now. Today we're gonna see the movies. Captain America came out yesterday. Yay! Captain America New Brave World, or New Day. I don't remember the wording, but it came out yesterday, and we are going to see it today. It's already 3:45. Now we're going to have something to eat, so we're going to be dressed up and be on our way very soon. By something, I mean, I already made something we're going to be eating, so don't mind me. And all my pictures, they're like, those pictures are a lot. So, you know, when you have bulky things, like bulky pictures, bulky album, kind of somehow when you want to edit it. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. But baby's shoveling them down because he took them on his phone, so fingers crossed. Guys, babe, you can take yours. We are ready. I'm wearing this jumpsuit from Shein. I'm sure you guys can remember this jumpsuit that has shown me your back pain. And I'm wearing this jean jacket and sneakers. Yeah, I think I'm looking nice. We are ready to go, and we want to brush a Bolton market for suya spices. I want to make suya at home. I already marinated everything. I just need like the suya spice itself. So right now, Bolton market is closing very soon. So yeah, forgot to off the TV. Just started want to watch Modern Family, so and that's my baby over there.
You, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be away with you, the main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying? And I
can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Hi guys, I brought this boy to do some shopping.
You did not shop for me now.
Okay guys, we're in Manchester. Oh yeah, so that yeah, we're in Manchester and we currently want to look out at the Primark in Manchester. There's a very big Primark at the Trafford Centre. I've always been seeing it, so today we are checking it out. Let's go. You guys see this each stairs.
Èwo ni ẹ? Ọ̀ pé ìsàlẹ̀ yẹn ìyẹn tó bí.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work
Why
at
is this
Coles,
place
you in
giving
dental school.
Pharaoh
Wifing, now you
seat?
folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Tim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday too. I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah. So much to live for, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it when we get to it.
Hi guys, I have this package and a little bit of background story. On the 19th, was it 17th or 19th? I can't remember. I got an email that I have a package from DHL and it's going to be delivered tomorrow. Trust me, I just feel like I just put my details of like if they have to deliver, if it's required a signature or not. And I just stated them to drop it behind the bin. Honestly, I'm not expecting anything, so I was not like so sure of it. But today it says delivered, and the proof of delivery that was there was the one of my neighbor where they delivered it to. Trust me, babe said no, this is a scam because this thing has kind of happened before. And guys, guess what? We truly have a package. Like this is definitely a PR for sure. So I'm just going to, and it is from Korea. Like I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Babe, please, can you help me on the second light? Please. I'm sure it's skincare. I'm very sure it's skincare, but like, I'm just shocked. The reason why I was a little bit so sure that I have a package is because I signed up for this influencers gig, kind of. So there's a possibility that I get something from. Are you serious? This is Bloom, right? Don't let me. I don't even know. Yeah, I'm shaking. I just want to know what I have inside. Okay, what is this? But actually, I know that I'm just excited, honestly. I don't want to rough it too much. Because I need to do an unboxing video. Oh my god, guys, it's skincare, babe. So this is a cleansing gel. And this is a balanceful serum. And this is a balanceful cream. Oh my god, that's so lush. Let me just wrap it back. I'll do a proper unboxing video for it. But thank you so much to this brand that sent me this package. But I do not even have anything that says who's like the name of the brand. Balance for diaper. I think this is like a tea. I don't know. Maybe this is a tea or something. I'm going to unbox it when I do a proper unboxing video. But a big thank you to Region. This feels like a dream. This is so nice. This is so nice, guys. This is really, really nice.
Ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta go. Round with Trish, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. I still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, it get too big. I might put me in, start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely feel like a play with a period. Just follow behind in the years. Anyway, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise is out the period. Oh, yeah, you know, I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, you ain't one of us. How you run in the beers and a talker truck? How you get everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last on my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing something. I'm the type to get active and never run. Need the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, after he call me Barry Buck. For the Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Lost and numbers and F's for everyone. Take the roof off the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, see his pop out 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't rock on my collar, we stacking up wallow and gualo and try get it mega buck. See them drip, little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, look like the new BMW. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right up. You back up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time, I know what the world. Treat it like a tire, I keep it stuck. When it's stuck, because I'm warring. Check the truck, I'm counting more fake. Got stolen, moving in the press. I'm trying to stick it tight, bitch, you can't look. I'ma put the game into his temple. The colors, the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spinning back 1,000 to a two. Oh, yeah, I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, you ain't never
All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just press me. I'm about to let you know you make me so. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just press me. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so. You make me so. You make me
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I the justice, put it in the song. Alright.
Guys, so I just got back from uni and I thought this is a better time to show you guys everything Toriden sent to me. Yeah, guys, we're getting to a better weather. Like, imagine I went out like this. That's so sweet. Okay, so here we have the Balance Full Cleansing Gel. Yeah, I haven't tried out this product. I'm gonna try them out during the weekend, but I love it. Like, just look at it. Like, I don't know, it's not like a travel size, but at the same time it's giving travel size. And over here we have the Balance Full Serum. I'm sure you guys will have seen this product already on my Instagram or my TikTok, whichever one you're following me on. You will have seen this product already. Like, I already unboxed them, but there's no unboxing without showing my YouTube family. You guys already know. And this one is cream. Oh yeah, it's got a scoop. I saw a very nice review about this cream. Yeah, saw a very nice review about it, and I can't wait to try it out and see for myself. Even though I don't know, but I can't wait to try it out. And this one is a mask. It's got with its own bolt for you to mix it. That's why it is in this thing. Oh yeah, this one is a mask. These are the burrs. And here we have the marks. Thank you so much, Tori, there, for sending us these amazing skincare products. And we're gonna try it definitely and give a review, of course. But people that I've seen so far that have used it had an amazing review. So guys, go shop Tori then. Another thing I just got is, this is not a PR package right away. I got this myself from Shein. It's another gym wear. Yeah, but I don't think I'm liking the product, the material. I don't like how it feels in my hand. I've just thought the line on, by the way. I haven't checked it. Oh my god, I don't think I'm going to like it. Like, it's not. I don't think it's cotton. Yeah, it's not cotton. I think I would have preferred cotton because this one, I don't know. I'll ask babe to also check it out when it's back. But I think I'm going to be returning it. I don't like it. I don't like the material. Can you guys see what I mean? I don't like this material. I prefer the material of the last ones that I had. If you guys watch my Shein haul, you know what I'm talking about. I prefer that material to this one. So I'll return it. Not even probably. I'm definitely returning it. I don't like it at all. If it's just like the tops and this one is better. But for this shirt, nah. It's a no for me. I'm going to be returning it immediately. I think post office will be closed by now. I'll have just wrap it back and go drop it back. But post office will be closed, so I'll just drop it off tomorrow. So guys, let me show you guys properly the shelf that I arranged yesterday. I'm sure you guys already saw it, but let me just show you. So this is what we are having. Now these are our wristwatch and my bags are all here. Then this last shelf for things that are on this table initially. It's currently like raining kind of. And over here, I have space for my high boots now. So this place is spacious and nice. And my hairs are all sitting well. So we've got no problem. The only problem I think I can have with space is with my clothes. Our wardrobe is not that big. The room is not that big for a bigger wardrobe either. So we think that whenever we want to do something about this space, if you're not going to be here for if you're going to be here for more, like for a long time this year or next year, probably like get another wardrobe that is taller so we could have the upper space to ourselves. There is a space here, right? But it is open, so there's no way we could keep our clothes or make that place messy. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I challenged myself to dress nice for 12 working days, especially to wear my wig. Guess what? That has been going so well. And today is day 8. Yeah. I did it. Today is day 8 and I've got just 4 days left for the remaining days of the challenge. And I can't be, oh my God, I'm so grateful to God. Like that's when it started raining. I'm so happy because I can't imagine me beating in this rain. Nah. I can't do it. So, yeah. I'm just so grateful to God so far. And I'm going to be crossing a milestone than I should have. But God knows the best, and I'm going to be crossing that milestone in a few days. And I'm just so grateful to God. Oh my God. I'm so grateful. So grateful to God for the opportunity, for chances, for the gift of life, and so many other things I can't just say. But He knows, He understands me, He reads my mind, and all of that. And yeah, I'm just so grateful to God. Hallelujah challenge is currently going on. Yep. And I do not really, I think it's almost over self. I kind of, do attend some of it, but like not like all of it, not even half of it. But one thing I'm trying to do is either you join the service on while it's going on, or after it has been heard, all of us are still going to be blessed the same way. Somebody say glory. So that's what I've been trying to do. I always like try to listen to the service, and trust me, after even I'm in during the service, after the service, I always dance and feel the joy as if I've been there when it's been heard. So no doubt we're all going to get graced, we're all going to get mercified, like glory is ours this year. You guys, guess who's going out? I just realized that post office closed by 5:30, and this is currently 5:17. 5:16. Yeah, there's a post office close to me, so I could still make it with the return. So yeah, guys, after this challenge of mine that I did, I'm going to be dressing nice, because tell me why you looking good just lifted your energy. Like, your energy just lifts, even if you're not having like that great day. But the fact that you look good, immediately you get a glass of yourself, you feel so nice. It's a clothes and a purse. Clothes and purse, yeah.
You missed the post for today, so this will leave tomorrow night, yeah?
Okay. I thought you already closed, that's why. Yeah, thank you. The post was a success. So she said I missed today's post. She's going to be posted tomorrow. Anyway, I already dropped this, whichever day it got shipped, but they already dropped off. So I don't know, maybe I'm going to be buying something else, or I'm just going to be collecting my money. But I think I want to. I'm going to be trying another. I don't know why that material is like that though. I don't know why it's like that. And it's kind of a good design, what I saw. But that material is a no-no.
It's urgent. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight. Think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, will feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days are always inside. Too busy in my mind, help me on my fears, my never since I disappeared. If you left me feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear a long night. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, through it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. All you been, you don't care. it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arms, feel it is now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Sunny inside, still they get in my mind.
Guys, I made myself a sandwich or cheese whiz, I don't know. Hi guys, so I noticed I haven't been a much of a talker in this particular vlog, which is unusual of me, at the same time quite nice. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog to this minute. So if I'm to answer the question of how do I make my YouTube videos, how to make money on YouTube video, blah blah blah, I'll have been a billionaire or a millionaire by now if I've started charging people asking me that question. And whenever I tell them that, it is very simple. I know what I want in my head, I know what I want to create, so I just place my camera and I make it. And people find it so weird, like the people find that answer so weird, and I don't know why. God's so good. Oma, I don't know if you guys know Oma on YouTube. You guys know this Uchenna's daughter. She's in the US. You get, like, yeah. So I said it, she's in the US, so you guys know which of our daughters I'm talking about. She recently answered that kind of a question as well on Snapchat, and she said she knows what she wants to create and she just created it. It is very simple. If you have an idea of what you want in your head, I'm just going to place the camera. Like, I always know what I want in my head. I mean, I see other people's vlogs, I do other people's content, so I just place the camera however I want in my head. You guys, I use that reading product today. I'm going to be using it for like next 7 days just to see, like, only that product alone on my face. And I think I like the hydrating thing of it. I like how hydrating it is and moisturizing. At the same time, it smells so good. The cleanser smell like herbal. I love it so much. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching to this minute. Sorry, I would have still come and eat it, but by the time you guys are watching this vlog, I'm already done eating. So see you in another one. Bye.